Hi there, it's Chris again from Yellow Car Shop, and today we're looking at the new Golf GTE. This model is the GTE Advanced, hence the nice wheels. We had extra leather on this one to make it a little bit more comfortable. It doesn't normally come standard with that. It plugs into either a normal wall socket or a full electric charger. Really comfortable drive. All the GTEs are automatic, which is a massive bonus when you're going on a slightly longer journey. Has the nice digital dash, and it'll do 30 miles on electric, there or thereabout. And this one has the added luxury of having keyless entry and heated seats as well, so it just makes it an all-round really nice, comfortable car. If you'd like to come and have a test drive of one of our new GTEs, or even get a bit more information on this or any of our other cars, then email us on sales@yellowcarshop.co.uk or go to our website www.yellowcarshop.co.uk.